Guys, welcome back to the channel after the weekend. We'll be starting with the management of odontogenic tumors in broad aspect. Okay, let's start. Management of odontogenic tumors. Odontogenic tumors, benign bone tumors and fibro-osseous diseases are treated by a variety of procedures. First, enucleation. Removal of all soft tissue and hard tissue produced by the lesion from its bony cavity. Okay, along with the cystic lining or the tissue tumor lining जो भी है hamartomas proliferation, we remove all the soft tissue and hard tissue produced by the lesion from its bony cavity. Second is curettage. Removal of all soft tissue and hard tissue produced by the lesion from its bony cavity, including removal of variable thickness of bony wall itself. हार्ड टिश्यू और सॉफ्ट टिश्यू तो रिमूव करेंगे ही, लेकिन जो बोनी वॉल है उसको भी रिमूव करेंगे, यूजुअली 1 to 3 mm. नाउ curettage of the bony wall may be accomplished by various means like physical, thermal or chemical. Okay, physical removal is usually via a sharp curette or rotary burr. In thermal removal, which is also known as cryotherapy, a gel is placed into the bony cavity and frozen with a cryoprobe. The freezing process will crystallize water in the cells of the bony cavity wall, thereby disrupting and lysing them. Okay? वो क्या करेंगे, पहले तो फ्रीज कर देंगे और उसके बाद डिस्टर्ब और लाइज कर देंगे. इस तरह से क्रायोथेरेपी वर्क करता है. Then chemical removal. Chemical removal is via Carnoy solution which contain 1 gram of ferric chloride in 24 ml of absolute alcohol, 12 ml of chloroform and 4 ml of glacial acetic acid. Okay, this is in the ratio of 1:3:6. Okay, 1 is glacial acetic acid, 3 is chloroform and 6 is alcohol. तो 1:3:6. Okay, GCA. Okay, GCA 1:3:6. But now we use modified Carnoy solution in which chloroform is not used because it has been shown that it is a carcinogenic agent, so we discontinue the use of chloroform. But in basic Carnoy solution the ratio is 1:3:6. GCA. ग्लेशियल एसिटिक एसिड 1 रेशियो में, 3 रेशियो में क्लोरोफॉर्म और 6 रेशियो में अल्कोहल. ओके, दिस इज केमिकल रिमूवल. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट क्यूरेटाज प्रोसीजर. नाउ Carnoy solution is a tissue fixative and a good topical hemostatic agent. Gauze is soaked and placed in the bony cavity for 5 minutes. जो भी हम लोग इन्यूक्लिएशन वगैरह किए हैं या मासूक डिकम्प्रेशन जो भी किए हैं, उसके बाद Carnoy solution को एक गॉज में डिप करना है and then it is soaked in a gauze and placed in the cavity for 5 minutes. Now, curettage is not a procedure consistent with the principle of tumor removal. It is best applied to cyst hamartomas lesion. Okay, mainly for tumor we go for surgical thing, not curettage procedure. So we can go as a palliative treatment. Enucleation and curettage can be used as a palliative treatment, and in some cases of cyst and hamartomas lesion, curettage can be used. Now, third is peripheral resection. Resection of tumor en bloc with bone which does not interrupt continuity. The margin may vary depending on the type of tumor. This usually implies preservation of inferior border of the mandible or a subsinus or subnasal resection of maxilla. Peripheral resection में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, जो continuity होती है वो interrupt नहीं होती. ठीक है, margin depend करता है ट्यूमर पे and there is a preservation of in the case of mandible there is a preservation of inferior border and in case of maxilla there is a preservation of subsinus और मतलब cavity का. तो जो resection होता है वो subsinus और subnasal होता है. Okay, in maxilla the resection is subsinus or subnasal resection of maxilla. So remember always, in peripheral resection the continuity is not interrupted. Okay, now this is all for today's class. We'll be dealing other things in the next class. Till then, like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye.